Did you know that the secret to glowing skin, shiny hair, and a fresh-smelling home is growing right in your backyard? Today, we're diving into the world of lemongrass oil, nature's powerhouse that you can easily make at home. Introduction. Hey there, natural remedy enthusiasts. Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy. I'm your name, and today we're unlocking the incredible benefits of lemongrass oil with a super simple DIY method. Get ready to transform this fragrant herb into liquid gold. Main points. 1. Benefits of lemongrass oil. Skincare marvel, reduces acne, tones skin, and fights signs of aging. Hair health booster, promotes growth and adds shine. Natural deodorizer, keeps your home smelling fresh and clean. Stress buster. Its calming aroma helps reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Insect repellent, keeps mosquitoes and other bugs at bay. 2. Ingredients and tools. Fresh lemongrass stalks, about 1 pound. Carrier oil, coconut, jojoba, or sweet almond oil. Glass jar with lid. Cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer. Dark glass bottle for storage. 3. Step-by-step DIY process. 3. A. Wash and chop lemongrass stalks into small pieces. 3. B. Dry the chopped lemongrass thoroughly. 3. C. Place lemongrass in the glass jar. 3. D. Pour carrier oil over the lemongrass, ensuring it's fully covered. 3. E. Seal the jar and place it in a warm, sunny spot for 2-4 weeks. 3. F. Shake the jar gently every few days. 3. G. After the infusion period, strain the oil through cheesecloth. 3. H. Transfer the oil to a dark glass bottle for storage. 4. Usage tips. Facial serum, mix a few drops with your moisturizer. Hair treatment, massage into scalp and leave for 30 minutes before washing. Room spray, combine with water in a spray bottle. Massage oil, blend with a carrier oil for a relaxing massage. Insect repellent, apply diluted oil to skin or use in a diffuser outdoors. 5. Long-term remedies. A. 5. Acne fighting face mask. Mix 2 drops of lemongrass oil with 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Apply to face, leave for 15 minutes, then rinse. Use 2-3 times a week for best results. Combine 5 drops of lemongrass oil with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Massage into scalp and leave overnight. Wash hair in the morning. Repeat 2-3 times a week for at least 3 months. In a spray bottle, mix 1 cup of distilled water, 2 tablespoons of vodka, and 20 drops of lemongrass oil. Shake well before each use. Spray around your home daily for a consistently fresh scent. In a roll-on bottle, combine 10 drops of lemongrass oil, 5 drops of lavender oil, and 5 drops of bergamot oil. Fill the rest with a carrier oil. Apply to pulse points daily for stress relief. Mix 1/4 cup of shea butter, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and 20 drops of lemongrass oil. Melt ingredients together, let cool, then whip until creamy. Apply to exposed skin before outdoor activities. There you have it, folks. Your very own homemade lemongrass oil and 5 amazing long-term remedies to transform your daily routine. Remember, consistency is key when using natural remedies, so stick with it to see the best results. Call to action. If you enjoyed this DIY and want more natural remedy goodness, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Natural Home Remedy. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. And hey, drop a comment below sharing your favorite way to use lemongrass oil. I'd love to hear from you.